So here I have my myTime class. I've implemented based on the instructions. We've got the instance variables here, the two different constructors. I put in some testing here, some exception errors in case someone enters in, an hour that's outside of range or a minute or second outside of the range. Yeah, I've got all the methods here, and I, sort of like flow through from one function to another here. So if the second goes up past its limit, it needs to increase to the next minute. But then if the minute goes past 59, that also needs to increase to the next hour. If that goes past 23, it sort of ends there. Same with going down or up a second, minute, or hour. So I've got my class here where we test it all. Got the first constructor, test, yeah, and got this one. Let's just input something that's not valid and make sure that it's working as intended. Yep. As we thought, as we wanted, it's through in the exception. So let's put this back to something valid now. 10. So it's been constructed at 10. We set it to 1. Same deal here. So we set this to 99. Got the same logic in that method. We get our error. We'll set it back. We don't really need to test every single one of these because it will take quite some time. So I'll go back. Where have we got it? Okay, let's make this valid again. Alright, so set the hour to 23. That also tests for input, but this video will be quite long if I test all of these. You can see it in the class anyway. So you can see all these here. We'll run through and we'll see what we get. Actually, I'll do it this way. Fine. As we expect so far. Yep. The more interesting part is when we increase to next second, when we're on sort of like the threshold of the maximum second or minute or hour. Coming up. This is the interesting bit. So we can see we're on the very sort of threshold for when each one of these is going to have to go up. So if we increase 1 second, this shouldn't just say, 0. We should get 0, 0, 0. So let's try. Go back down. So yep, you increase the second, the minute, the hour, then you do the reverse and it's back to where it started as you'd expect. So yeah, that's pretty much all the testing we need to do for this class. Pretty straightforward. And yeah, just to show you that I had the same logic for checking your input. Okay, thanks for that.